Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
Oh, try that again. Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, everybody.
This looks exciting. First of all, thank you very much to everyone for coming. I'm very excited to announce our first class assembly of the year. Aren't you special? I've already heard comments from people who have already seen the rehearsals of this that it's going to be a very difficult act to follow. So all the other class assemblies now have got to be as amazing as yours. So I am so proud of all of you already, and I haven't even seen what you've done yet. I'm very excited. I don't want to waste too much of your time. I really want to get started and see what amazing things you've been learning about. So welcome everybody. Thank you very much.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what's going on inside their heads? Well, we know. We are some of the different emotions that live inside your mind. Emotions? What are emotions? Emotions are different feelings that we have. Sometimes we can feel lots of emotions at the same time. For example, I'm joy, and the wonderful, comfortable feeling that you have when you stroke a puppy and when you smell freshly baked cookies. Or when the teacher finally says it's golden time on a Friday. Yay! We have been learning different emotions since we joined 4V. Not just the good ones, the cheeky ones too. But first we need to meet the different emotions that live inside your mind. We also want you to think about your own emotions as we share our learning with you today. Look what a perfect start to the week. Another happy day inside Miss Toller's brain. Look, she's so impressed with our beautiful handwriting. Oh, hello, I'm Joy, and my job is to notice the happy things in life. Wait a minute. Someone has left a banana peel on the floor. Now she's really mad. By the way, I'm angry, and sometimes I get very angry and lose my temper! Oh no, the cleaners will be really cross. Misty always says we need to keep the classroom looking tidy. Who, me? I'm Fear, and my job is to keep people protected from nonsense and dangerous situations. Misty looks so upset with us post banana peel on the floor. She thinks the classroom will never be as good as Miss Smith. I'm Sadness, by the way. Sometimes it's okay to feel sad, and I help people deal with those problems. Ew! Is that smell coming out from our classroom? No, thank you. Scotch banana is not cool. Who, me? I'm disgust. I keep people away from things that are gross and harmful. Oh no. Everybody will laugh at us. I just know it. Oh no. I'm embarrassed. I have people allow when they feel awkward. You're overdo dramatic embarrassment. Somebody will clean it up and nothing will happen. Like always. For me, I'm annoyed. You probably don't care about who I am. And to be honest, I don't care about you lot either. Why don't we just go around the school and look at everyone else's tidy classroom? We can admire them and the beautiful displays the teachers have made. Who, me, I'm envy, and sometimes I compare myself to others. If we put the banana peel, someone can slip and fall in the swimming pool. If you can tell, I'm sorry. I prepare people, things that I need to worry about, and things that I don't need to worry about too. And right now, this banana peel is a big, disgusting problem. Don't panic, everyone. It will be fine, I promise.
I get overwhelmed so easily. My anxiety creeps inside of me, makes it hard to breathe. What's come over me feels like I'm somebody else. I get overwhelmed in my mind, day and night, overthinking everything in my life. Just wondering if I'm doing anything right. All these demons inside tell me to come alive. Oh my, I can really say I don't know why. I can feel my dreams calling me, but all these lights are haunting me. The ones you know is right before I'm falling asleep. And I get overwhelmed so easily. My anxiety creeps inside of me, makes it hard to breathe. What's come over me feels like I'm somebody else. I get overwhelmed so easily. My anxiety creeps inside of me, makes it hard to breathe. What's come over me feels like I'm somebody else. I get overwhelmed. Well, would you look at that? Another person telling me that I should just relax, calm down and take it easy. Everything will be okay. Yeah, sure, 'cause that's what I said. But oh my mind, it's really not rolling sometimes. I can feel my dreams calling me, but all these lights are haunting me. The ones you know is right before I'm falling asleep. And I get overwhelmed so easily. My anxiety creeps inside of me, makes it hard to breathe. What's come over me feels like I'm somebody else. I get overwhelmed so easily. My anxiety creeps inside of me, makes it hard to breathe. What's come over me feels like I'm somebody else. I get overwhelmed so easily. My anxiety creeps inside of me, makes it hard to breathe. What's come over me feels like I'm somebody else. I get overwhelmed.
Joy is smelling fresh chocolate cookies. Joy is tasting a hot cup of hot chocolate. Joy is when the lovely bright sun comes out. Joy is playing a song on the trumpet for your friends. Joy is happy when you open a present. So, if people are feeling big emotions, how can we deal with them? Well, for starters, we can split this banana peel in the middle.
Okay, but this is all that simple. It's important to express our emotions in a balanced way.
Hopefully, joy is the most common feeling you will express. I feel joy when someone tells me a funny joke.
Okay, here's a joke. Why did the lobster blush?
I don't know, why did the lobster blush?
Because the seaweed. See, jokes make you happy.
Anger is when my brother breaks my favorite toy. Anger is when Mum won't give me a phone to play a game. Anger is when your sister doesn't want to play with you. Anger is like when you get super frustrated and need to let your temper out. Anger is when you lose some of your golden time.
What? Football has been banned from lunchtime again? Come on!
When you're angry, you might feel your body heating up. You might start shaking or even shouting.
Doing sport like you're discussing for your mind.
screaming into your pillow. Or even play your loud instrument as loud as you can. Sorry, Mom and Dad.
Fear is when I go to a new school. Fear is when you go into a dark, creepy, spooky, scary mansion. Fear is when you are running in a creepy forest. Fear is when you see a bear and you run. Fear is when you get lost and everything seems negative.
I'm so scared of what we might learn next. Don't worry, fear is part of all of us. When we were a caveman, it helped us to escape from predators. Now it protects us from danger. Fear might seem is getting in your way, but it's also needed for survival.
Protection, you say? I can help with that. Stay back. There's a dangerous predator approaching. I'll save you.
Sadness is when you lose the game. Sadness is when you want something but you can't have it. Sadness is when you're being bullied by unkind people. Sadness is when you find your spellings very hard. Sadness is when you feel a great loss.
Sorry to bring the mood down, everyone.
But sometimes it's hard feeling a little bit, but humans are pretty good at expressing sadness. They'll back out photos and hug each other when things are hard.
Exactly. Like when my hamster potato passed away. I'm in the field with one of his wife. Disgust is when someone vomits in front of you.
Disgust is when you see a dead rat on the street.
Disgust is when I eat cold, mushy broccoli.
Disgust is knowing not to eat a big, rotten apple.
Disgust is the smell when you take your shoes off after peeing. Hi everyone, you all look absolutely disgusting down there in the audience and you smell terrible too. Look at these delicious mushrooms that are growing in the forest. I might eat one for lunch.
Wait, don't do it. It's poisonous.
Ew, it is poisonous. If I eat that, I won't survive long to see I'm start of the week on Friday. Good thing we have managed to stay away from the most disgusting thing here.
Envy is when you are tired and you want to sleep. Envy is like when you want to run, but body is telling you, I'm not into it today. Envy is when I'm on my sofa and I can't be bothered. Envy is like every time you need to speak the telephone. Envy is when you just want to stare at the screen and scroll all the day. I promise I don't want to turn off your screen time, but the audience can try to learn about all the emotions. Yeah. What's your point?
Wee Wee, can I call you Wee Wee?
No.
Okay, it's just a bit awkward to sit there like you can't be bothered.
That's right, we can't be bothered. Fine.
And with a mix of tiredness and boredom.
I'm feeling that the audience will get if we don't wrap up the show soon.
Anxiety when you are sleeping before your birthday party and you're feeling very nervous.
Anxiety is when you go to a new place or class and you have no friends and you are scared.
Anxiety is when you think, what if I hurt my leg and what if I nearly die?
Anxiety is when you got to Disneyland and you have mixed emotions.
Anxiety is when it was the first day in the school.
I'm cold right now, but who knows? In 5 minutes, I must be panicking.
What do we do when we feel anxious?
Sometimes, when we do something new, it can make us panic. Sometimes, I like to try deep breathing. It can really help you calm you back down.
You try breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth.
Let's try to learn now.
Only the yellow bubble. Follow it wherever it goes with your eyes. Don't be tempted to look at any other bubble. Stay with the yellow one. Pay close attention to it. Now look at the blue bubble. Follow it closely. Keep looking. Some of them might start to pop to try and distract you, but don't let them.
Embarrassment is when you go to a new school and ask your teacher to go to the bathroom and accidentally go to the girls' bathroom.
Embarrassment is when I trip in front of everybody.
Embarrassment is sitting on a wobbly cushion and making a funny noise.
Hi everybody, my name is Embarrassment. Embarrassment helps you to realize when something might be a little bit strange so you can fit in. Everybody has embarrassing stories. Here are some of our favorites.
We're gonna go around the school and find some embarrassing stories.
Let's hope they're not too embarrassing.
Do you have any embarrassing stories?
Well, yes, I do. When I moved to Spain 9 years ago, it was very important for me to try to speak in Spanish when I met new people. So when I met new people, I would tell them my name and then I would say, soy irlandesa. Yeah. That was sometimes how they reacted. Sometimes they would laugh. And I didn't understand why, until one day they explained to me, you just said, I am an Irish woman.
Yeah. Have you got any embarrassing stories, Mr. Paris?
Actually, I do. I got myself locked in the toilets at Sunnyview School a couple of years ago. I went to the toilet, then when I was trying to come out, the lock wouldn't work, and I had my class waiting for me in the playground, so I had to get out of there. No one could hear me, I couldn't get out, so I had to squeeze myself out of the window to go and find my class and take them to the class.
It's very embarrassing.
Yes, it was. And then obviously I told one person and that person told everybody.
Have you got any embarrassing stories, Mr. Paris?
Yes, I have. One day I came to school with my trousers inside out and all the way around. So I didn't realize. I went to the toilet and when I I got stuck in them. So I couldn't do what I had to do. So I need to call my mom. My mama is not at school. So I called Miss Wright instead. She helped me.
It's very embarrassing, yeah.
Do you have any embarrassing stories, Miss Smith?
Unfortunately, yes. A couple of years ago, when I went on a school trip, I was in a tunnel with a group of students and I got stuck. To make it more embarrassing, there was a group of students behind me with a camera taking photos, and the people who worked there had to pull me out of the tunnel. So it was very embarrassing and they did not let me forget it for the next couple of months.
It's very embarrassing.
Wow, there were some pretty embarrassing stories.
Don't worry, embarrassing stories is funny memories.
Yeah.
Envy is when you wish you could have something that someone else has. Envy is when you want something that you don't have, like a teddy bear. Envy is when I see something beautiful that is not mine. Envy is when you really love the things other people have.
Envy is when you admire things you love about someone.
Hey, what's that you've got there? This? It's my new pencil case. I got it for my birthday last week.
Wow.
Well, what can it do? Well, it lights up. Wow. It has a built-in umbrella. It is full of tasty candy. It even has a mobile phone inside it. Hey, I can't speak on the phone right now. I'm in the middle of a class assembly. I'm so jealous. I want one. Maybe try saving up your pocket money for one. Envy can be a good thing if it helps you get something you want or if you admire someone.
Just like I admire this lovely audience for listening to us all so patiently.
True, we're almost finished now. There's just time for one more very important thing. Our core memories.
Core memories? What are core memories? Core memories are the important memories that mean a lot to us. They make up our personalities.
Core memories make us who we are.
Thank you for watching.
start to our class assemblies. I felt so many different emotions watching that. There is one emotion that I think myself and probably everyone in this room feels just now. I wonder if you can guess what it was. It begins with a P. We are all very, tell me? Proud. And do you know what? What should you be of yourselves right now? Proud. Well done. Congratulations, you're 4. That was amazing. Well done.